So this camera in here is Insta360 GO 3S, the smallest action camera on the market that just got even better. The newest version can record a 4K resolution video, weighs like 39 grams, and it's around the size of my thumb. Having a camera this small and lightweight lets you capture unique hands-free POV shots. Now see for yourself what kind of shots I got with it. Insta360 GO 3S is literally around the size of my thumb. How the hell they managed to put a 4K resolution video and all the other features inside of it is just mind-blowing. GoPro Hero 13 Black weighs somewhere around 159 grams with a tempered glass mounted on it, whereas GO 3S is not even 39 grams, so just so small and tiny, like 4 times smaller. That small size and being so lightweight make a huge difference when it comes to recording hands-free shots from your body. You can just enjoy your activities and forget that this tiny little camera is even there. So GO 3S has significantly improved on its image quality, as now it can shoot a 4K resolution video at 120 megabytes per second. So that 4K makes it not only sharper, but that it has more details in it. And with that new FOV option that's called MegaView, you get wide-angle lens with minimal distortion in the edges. So it doesn't look like a typical action camera anymore. So Insta360 GO 3S uses a magnetic design at the back of it that lets you mount it basically everywhere without any extra accessories. So if you don't have a tripod with you, you can just use the surrounding, as long as that surface has some metal in it. But what can you do with it if there is no metal nearby? Then you can just simply stick it to anything else with a pivot stand. This accessory in here has a sticky adhesive at the bottom of it, which is reusable. So GO 3S comes with some accessories that help you capture hands-free POV shots. So you can tell a story from your own perspective. And you can change between them in just a second because of that magnetic design, which is really cool. So with Easy Clip accessory, you can mount the camera to your cap and record a first-person view perspective. you can show it how it all looked like from your own eyes.
Oh, what a monitor! Hey!
Next, there is something like a magnet pendant, which is just like a chest mount, but you can hide it underneath your shirt. With this accessory, you can focus more on your hands in the frame, so it looks more immersive. And the best part about it is that all of these accessories are already included with the camera in the package, and it's enough to go outside and have some fun with it. You probably noticed by now that Go 3S doesn't have a screen on it. So how the hell can you change settings or preview a scene? Well, you can just put Go 3S into its Action Pod accessory, so you get instant access to a huge touchscreen. So it's easy for you to frame your shot, take some selfies, just like with a traditional action camera. But the difference is that this touchscreen is flippable, so it's easier for you to see yourself and vlog with it. This accessory is also included in the package. You can use Action Pod as a remote control with a live preview up to 5 meters away from the camera. You can change settings or start a recording when the camera is out of your reach. Though that live preview can be a bit choppy when recording in 4K. Go 3S battery lasts around 38 minutes on a single charge. Yet when you put it inside of the Action Pod, it's somewhere around 140 minutes. So I would suggest you to use it with the Action Pod for everyday stuff, like traveling or vlogging with your camera, and use just the camera itself for all sorts of sport activities where that small size makes the difference. Go 3S can also be controlled with simple voice commands such as start a recording or take a photo. However, whenever you find yourself in a loud environment, you can also control it with your hand. Take a photo. So Go 3S can determine its aspect ratio based on its orientation. So you can simply twist it to go from 16:9 to 9:16. You don't have to change any settings to do it. Want to record for YouTube? Just keep it horizontal. And if you want to record for Instagram, Facebook or TikTok, just twist it. It's really that simple. And lastly, if you lose it somewhere and you can't find it, then you can easily track it down with Find My app if you have iOS device. Once you pair it with your phone, you can use GPS to figure out camera's last known location. During that time, the camera can be completely turned off, but it's important that it still has some power in it left in order for it to work. So this is everything that Insta360 GO 3S has to offer. Now, this camera is perfect for everyone who just wants to have some fun while creating content. So if you want to have something easy and mount your camera anywhere you like, use it for selfies, vlogging, or simply spend time with your family, then it's definitely for you. The fact that it's so small can really open up a whole new perspective of how you capture your activities. Insta360 GO 3S is on a huge holiday discount. You can get 10% off of it and a free carry case if you use my affiliate link, which you can find in the video description and a pinned comment. And if you're curious about X4 or Ace Pro, you can score some really nice discounts on those as well on official Insta360 website. It's really exciting to see how far Insta360 can push this camera to its limits. I also tested Insta360 GO 2 on this channel, and the difference between this and GO 3S is huge. So I'm really excited to see what's coming next. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.